In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Confluence template. If you build similar pages over and over, a custom template can save time and keep your team consistent. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you understand not just what to click, but why it matters. Start by logging into your Confluence account. Make sure you have permission to manage the space you're working in. Templates are created at the space level, so you'll be editing settings for that specific area. Next, select the space you want to work with. You can get there from your sidebar or the spaces directory. Once you've opened the space, look for the three dots next to the space name and click them, then choose Space Settings. In the Space Settings screen, look to the left panel, expand the Look and Feel section to reveal more options related to how content appears in this space. Click on Templates. This opens the list of existing templates in the space and is where you'll create new ones or refine what's already there. On the left panel, click Create New Template. You'll move into the editor where your template begins as a blank page. Give your template a clear descriptive name, something that tells people exactly when to use it, like Project Kickoff or Weekly Update. Clear names make templates easier to find and reduce confusion later. Now build the content, structure it the way you'd want every new page of this type to look. Add headings to break up sections and include the key prompts you want every user to fill out. For guidance inside the page, type the / command and choose placeholder. This inserts ghost text that disappears as soon as someone starts typing, perfect for prompts like insert project goal here. It keeps the template clean while nudging users to provide the right information. You can also use the / method to insert macros. Macros add dynamic functionality like visual cues or summaries without extra effort every time the template is used. If you prefer a visual approach, click the plus sign in the upper toolbar to add elements. From there, you can insert tables to organize data or include a table of contents if your template will have longer sections. These elements make pages easier to scan and update. When you're happy with the layout and guidance, hit Save. Your template will now be available in this space whenever someone creates a new page, helping your team work faster and more consistently. Thanks for watching.